Oh my god, only 2 more sleeps. I'm so excited. Okay guys, so sorry, but I just woke up and it's very early. I didn't have my medications yet. So just to explain, I have ADHD, and if I don't take my medications, this is what you get. But I'm so excited. Only 2 more nights, and my hubby is gonna be here again. I can't wait. I'm gonna pick him up from the airport. And I'm so happy. So, today I'm going to be trying to fix some more stuff because, when he comes here, I just want him to be happy, of course, and that he, that we can also have a little more nice, relaxing time together. So, oh yes, what I wanted to show you, jumping from left to right. Yep, that's me right now. But I need to go and get my medication. Oh, actually, what is the case? First, I'm going to explain to you guys this, because that's something, my medication, which I am using to focus and to, to be a little more calm and stuff, which I am using now for, I think, what is it, like 7 months or something. We had to try certain things out, and now I have this medication for this, and it's nowhere to be found in Bulgaria. So that has been giving me a lot of stress lately, because I'm going to be staying for a little while still, and my medication were finished, and I need to get more medication. So I got my recipe from my Dutch doctor, and we went to the Bulgarian doctor and all the things, and it was such a mess. It's just, we cannot find it here. We cannot. We have been trying in Veliko, Tarnovo, all kinds of cities I have been trying, and they all say the same. No, it's just not available here. So, that was a little stressy for me, because we would like, we have been praying about, living here permanently, and we're kind of working towards that. So then we need to arrange certain things like medication and all the things that we need from when we live in the Netherlands, of course. So yeah, I have an option. I have to just totally stop with which I will, I will do that, because this is my dream. This place here, like, it's so amazing. Look what I did. I emptied this whole thing. Here it's still a mess. I'm not even gonna show you guys. But this wood thing was totally full, and it was going up, and I have been emptying that, and I have been putting it here in the chicken shed. And I have been cutting down this weird tree, which is totally in the way. Like, what are you doing there? I cannot even go, like, over. But yeah, I have been doing a lot still. And what I wanted to show you guys, which makes me very... Look. Okay, I'm on my way. I'm so happy, just 2 more sleeps. Look at these animals. So, this is what I'm doing right now, because it's very warm here, and I need, to take it a little more slowly, because my body was telling me, what are you doing working this hard? And the heat was coming up, and I was like, wow, my body said, don't do that. So, what I'm doing every day, not now, because I want to go to the market for a little bit, but every day I am walking around in my bathing suit over here. Yeah, it's now drying again from the wash yesterday. And then I have this bathtub here. And then I'm working, jumping in the cold water, cooling off, working again. And then I drop how do you say that? I fall down on our homemade mattresses couch that I have here in the living room. And then I'm lying there. I'm just lying there. See, this is jumping from left to right. What I wanted to show you guys actually was this. The bathing water. And these are the animals that I found in there. They are huge. We call them springkinks. It's the Dutch word. A springhaan in the Netherlands you call them. But we call them springkinks. Because they're hinking on us the whole time. And they are huge. And I keep on fishing all the spiders and everything out of there. And then I'm trying to get in the evening. Not always it's possible because my water is not strong enough sometimes. So I'm doing with what I have, right? So then I'm trying to fill my bathtub up again, clean it again, and blah, blah, all the things. So I'm still very busy, but I'm also taking my rest. And I noticed that my body is just telling me to lie down more. So that's what I'm doing. Still running around. But my hubby is coming back. I'm now going to take my medication because I'm running around from everywhere. So, yeah, just a little update. Just 2 more sleeps. And then he's here. Oh, yes, look at this part. Oh, I'm so sorry for jumping from left to right. Look, this is my little antiques corner. And I already cleared out over there. I'm going to put a new fencing on there, which I actually just took from the Netherlands because I just had it over there, and I put it in the car behind. How do you call that? The wagon behind my car, our car. I'm going to make a new fencing also. I'm going to have a lot of things to do still, like this part. Yeah. Okay, another story. I will tell you guys next time. So if you want to know what I'm going to do with all this mess here, it's going to be amazing. Oh, I can't wait. But first, my hubby. Oh, he's going to come back 2 more nights.